Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn few more useful shortcuts used in our computer. The first one is Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape button, which is used to open Task Manager window. Now the second one is Window key plus Shift plus S button, which is used to take screenshots easily in our computer. To take screenshot, we have press the shortcut and select the area for screenshot. Now the third shortcut is Window key plus V button. This shortcut opens clipboard of our computer where we can see the previously copied data. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more useful knowledge.